Hello, welcome back to Ben Sushi Live Noding. So in this episode, I'm gonna continue from the previous live noding where I made this kind of a spiral setup using Sphere Chalk add-on inside Blender, and we're gonna add more twists into this twist. So it's gonna be like twist on top of twist, and I'm gonna do it in a way that's kind of easier, So I'm gonna grab this setup, just copy the link, and I'm gonna continue from there. So you can download the zip and unzip it, but you can also use sphere chalk functions where you can just load the zip, blend zip, and then just you're gonna get the setup right away. I think the easier. So this is we have this setup. You can just delete everything and then update it. With this setup, it makes all kind of randomizations. We can delete it. So we are back with a simple spiral. With this spiral, we can control the radius. We can control this also the radius of the spiral. And here you can see there's a twist. There's a twist control which actually rotate. It's gonna rotate the circle inside the spiral, and that's the one that we're gonna use to make more twists, basically. So we know that this guy rotate the spiral, but it's kind of rotating it like the whole thing's gonna rotate. But if we with Sphere Chalk, you tend to be able to vectorize things. Actually, almost everything is vectorized. That means you can input a lot of like a list of values, and this will calculate. So for the twist, if I instead of a single value, if I plug in this range of value in here, like using the step, I can actually make some kind of a complex twisting. You see what happening there? So probably cannot really see it because this is a matcap. Let me turn off the matcap first. Where is it? Object mode, matcap off. Okay, you can see the spiraling actually have another spiraling inside it, so it's twist inside a twist. So it's already kind of working, and I just need to display it because this is a curve, and we want to have maybe like another curve. We need to kind of get this curve data. What I'll do is this is a polyline viewer. This guy outputs a curve, but we can also kind of source it back using object ID out. So I think this is the easiest way. Get the object, get the curve objects, and then here you can use a UV connection. And here I'm gonna use a viewer draw and just plug in the vertices points from this guy and then have a look inside it. And we're gonna just generate edges, and it's either U or the V. I think it's the U. And we don't need slice. So we can hide the curve and just have a look inside. Seems like the spiraling is already happening. Might not need the slicing, but anyway, we can play around with the number here. It doesn't start from 1. We can see here the curve. The curve looks like this, and then we can increase it. Maybe the spiral, maybe we need to kind of do something to make this a little bit cleaner, or maybe rotate this, make this rotation a little bit higher or something. But anyway, as a result, if you use a polyline viewer from UV connections, you should be able to get another spiral, which is slightly smaller. Currently, the spiraling is not looking natural. Maybe I did something wrong here. Oh, it's actually going through the circle. Maybe that's not what you need. Maybe just plug it in. No. V. So yeah, you actually get this kind of like a knitting pattern, which is interesting. Perhaps there's another way to approach this, but you can see this is like anyway, it's like a twisting inside a twist. If we bring back the curve into layer 1, this is almost like the spider web spinny thing that I made earlier, and you have control over the radius here. Yeah, what else we can do here? See, maybe with the multiplier we can use a range float, and okay, so that's kind of working. Yeah, slightly weird, but now you have this kind of spiraling from 0 to 1. Almost like a tornado, but it's more like some kind of creature. Okay, so remember we start this from just a line, and then we can easily get this complex design simply by using this a couple of nodes. So I think this is really powerful. You know, probably I can improve this twisting, but anyway, other than that, this is pretty much what I want to show you in this live loading. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Any comments, feedback, suggestion, let me know, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.